Hello and welcome everyone, and good morning. This is Carrie from Steel Roots Market. It's Saturday morning, October 18th, and I thought I would bring you along for a quiet Saturday morning peek inside a little space I have where I keep all my creative inventory for Steel Roots Market. And I wanted to share what's happening in the shop this weekend. And if you love creative inspired crafting, beautiful materials, and the art of creating something with your hands, you'll want to stay with me to the end. I have a few surprises and creative offers waiting for you. So let's begin with something I created for you. It's just something a little simple and sweet for this weekend. I created a free printable download for you. It's filled with these darling images for autumn, and I thought it would be fun for you to use this weekend by cutting it up. You could use it in your journals. You could use it in your fall decor. It's just my way of saying thank you for being part of this creative community, because I really do appreciate each one of you when you hit the like buttons on these videos, when you share, when you come to my shop, purchase creative supplies for me. It's just, I wanted to say thank you. You can grab that free download through the link in the description below. And then tomorrow, I'll be sharing a small project, maybe this afternoon later. We'll see how my day goes. But I will be sharing a project using these prints and a little autumn art that you can make for your home or creative space. So make sure you do subscribe and watch for that video. And now I want to share with you the little special weekend treat I have in place. And that is for any order of $50 or more placed today or tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, October 18th and 19th, I'll be adding in a free MDF Tag Set. These tags are so fantastic. It is a fun creative surface. You can use them in decoupage, stencil on them, stamp them, add molds, texture paste. They are very versatile. I love tucking them into like little centerpieces, or you could add them to a wreath. You could add them into your next upcycling project. Style them as simple seasonal accents on a tray. If you have tiered trays, coffee bars, you could set them up in little vignettes in your hutch, which is one of my favorite things to do. So there's no code needed for them. I will automatically add them to your order. And as always, so I have free shipping currently right now at $75. And then, of course, I love it when the orders reach 100. I love to include a little extra surprise as an extra special thank you gift. So the link to shop will be in the description. It's steelrootsmarket.com. So as you've been seeing, I'm doing a little walkthrough here. I was working on filling orders for this week, and I thought it would be fun to share a little walkthrough of this is one of my little workspaces. It's basically where I house my inventory. I have another area in my home where I cut the laser pieces for my projects. This little spot is the entrance of my home that I'm going to be working in over the weekend and next several days, trying to reorganize, set up. We have some upcoming classes and workshops coming up for local friends, and I need to get it all organized. But this is where my local customers come to browse and pick up their orders. So when I host creative classes and workshops, it's just a little space that they can see what I have currently. It's a well-loved space. And so I'm slowly reorganizing it for the season. And I will share with you a full transformation. It'll probably be later in the week. But as you can see, you're spotting like shelves filled with IOD molds, stamps, transfers, and so many favorite goodies. Plus that growing collection of Pentart products. We have a huge selection of decoupage papers, rice papers, stencils from brands like Roycycled, Decoupage Queen, Jamie Ray Vintage, stencils by Mara. There are so many good things. And so There's a large assortment. Some of it I sadly am not able to get all listed online. I'm working through it. But if you ever need something you love, just give me a message. I might have it. That's one of the fun things my customers that do come to shop through, they look and they find something that they had on their wish list. So just a fun sneak peek. And while we're here, I wanted to share one of my favorite projects from a couple of falls ago. It's this pumpkin farm sign I created. And it was using an MDF blank I made, and then IOD molds and clay, and then IOD stamp set. And every time customers come in, they always go right to it. They fall in love with the textures, the colors, the old world feel. So I did record this process. I just never edited it and created a video. So we will be revisiting this project soon. Stay tuned for that tutorial. It's a beautiful way to add mixed molds, clay, and paint for a timeless fall piece. The Pentart Rust Effect and patina are what I used for these, and I do have these in stock. So stay tuned for that. But basically, thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your Saturday with me here at Steel Roots Market. I hope this little peek inspires you to create something beautiful this weekend. Even a small moment of making can bring so much joy. Don't forget to download your free printable below. And if you're placing an order, remember spend $50, receive a free MDF tag set that I'm going to add in. Free shipping starts at $75, and there's always a special surprise tucked into my orders of $100. So I will see you soon with my next video, where we will take that printable and turn it into something creative, a simple project and one a little bit more involved, and I'll go through some ideas for your home. Until then, wishing you a peaceful weekend filled with creativity and grace. I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend.